Alright, Mike here, Atlas Rim Repair. I don't think I've done one of these on video before. This is one of the Chevy aluminum coated wheels. So let me show you guys this one. We'll start with the conditioning disc on the grinder and get this out. A little bit of here at the bottom. Pretty similar to a painted wheel, just a few more steps at the end. I'm going to switch to the 150 grit next. Alright, then 320. And 800 to get the 320 sanding marks out. At this point, I scuff it. Alright, then we go over the scuff marks with the 1500 grit. Alright, wipe that down. I'm going to use a little Rupes, the yellow polishing compound on a 3000 grit sanding pad. And it's foam back. That'll get the final scratches out. And that'll be it. That's that. You can go a step further if you want to and hit it with a ultra fine machine polish. But on a wheel like that, you really don't have to. It doesn't really make a difference. We'll just wipe off the polish and it's done.